Hi, I'm Nick Chope. I'm the Vice President of Automation Engineering at CreateMe. I lead the team that's developing advanced robotic and automation solutions for apparel assembly. We've developed a fully automated end-to-end manufacturing platform for apparel. When we started this project, we took a blank slate approach. We looked at where automation has been successful in apparel manufacturing and where it hasn't. In places it hasn't been successful, we looked at other industries such as automotive manufacturing and consumer electronics for inspiration on how to solve challenges in new ways that apparel has not attempted before. One area that we focused on was using adhesives as a primary method of apparel assembly to create seams and join fabric. Digitally applied adhesives allow different methods of automation to be applied to apparel assembly in new and novel ways. Along with the use of adhesives, we've developed a number of robotic material handling solutions to pick and place fabric repeatably and accurately to enable assembly of garments with robots in ways that people haven't tried before. Our goal at CreateMe is to develop advanced apparel manufacturing automation. We believe that with advanced automation, we can produce clothing close to the consumer and reduce the amount of waste associated with overproduction in the fashion industry. Fashion has an overproduction problem that results in a lot of waste, and we believe that producing close to the consumer helps solve that overproduction and waste problem.